What's up? This is Boots from cyborgteam.com. I'm back today with another keyboard. This is the Havit Keyboard and Mouse combo on Amazon for sale right now. The list price is actually $47.99, but it has been on sale for quite a long time at about $30, $30.99. So I picked it up. A bunch of people have bought it and gave a lot of mixed reviews on it, so I wanted to get it here, see what it's about. $30 for a keyboard and a mouse. Let's see, you can get this keyboard in two colors. There's black and then there's white. I always go for the white keyboards. They just look a little bit better to me. We're gonna go into this with an open mind. Like I said, keyboard and gaming mouse for $30. Mechanical blue switches come with this. It's not hot swappable or anything. And it's supposed to have rainbow backlighting. So let's crack open the box and have a look. Well, first, the box is just pretty plain. Black, says hello, thanks for choosing Havit. There is a model number on here, HVKB393L, United States layout. And made in China, prohavit.com. Okay, let's crack in. First, it's got a little, oh, everything just comes out. So there's a box inside of a box. Nothing else inside of here. And let's see what we have in this first. This is going to be our gaming mouse. I just kind of stuffed everything in here. No love, no care. That's all right. $30, man. Okay, there's our mouse. Anything on this side? No? Okay, let's see. We got obviously our user manual and a thank you for buying. Let's check out this keyboard real quick. Now, okay. It kind of looks a lot like, I reviewed a keyboard a few months ago, the EUSO, can't think of the model number right now, but it looks a lot like that. It has a lot of the same feel. It has this silver trim around the edges like that one did. It looks pretty nice. Got a little bit of branding here. I guess that's the Havit symbol. Got some hardware protruding out of here. See that? It's not bad looking. And you got another one over here. Okay, on the back side here. Oh, you hear them blue switches? All right, on the back here, you have some kick up feet. That is a plus. Got rubber stoppers. You got some Havit information there. Again, the HVKB393L. So that's pretty much it. This is an integrated cable, so you cannot take that off. And a nice white braided USB cable. Okay, pretty fancy. No cable management or anything, just, that's fine. The mouse, kind of a bigger mouse. Again, at least the USB cables, they match. That's a good thing. I wasn't expecting that to happen. Let's plug these in and see what we got. All right, straight away, the light's right up for me. I got my kick-up feet on, yes I do. All right, one thing, as I was scrolling through here with this mouse, the scroll wheel feels kind of cheap. It's like chalky feeling. So the scroll wheel is not the greatest. It feels really plasticky. It feels, it's just uninspiring, I'll say that. But hey, it's a mouse, it works. The click on it though, the click on this third wheel mouse is pretty good. Also the other clicks as well. Like even the side buttons, they don't feel too bad. Everything on the mouse has a very satisfying click. It's just that scroll wheel feels a little subpar. The typing experience, typing feels pretty good. The sounds that it makes, you're getting a lot more sounds than just that audible click from the switches. You're getting ping from all the hardware inside. You're getting rattling from the keycaps themselves. There's a lot of like noise coming from this keyboard. And if you just keep that in mind if you were gonna pick this thing up. One thing about this keyboard, it does have a good amount of flex in the deck, but I don't know who's pushing down on the keyboard this hard. For regular typing, it's working fine. Say the keycaps, they have a decent feel to them. They're obviously ABS plastic. I really don't have too much issue with this keyboard here. I could do without the little branding. I'm not even sure what bird that is. The hardware here, I think, gives a little bit of character. I'm not mad at it. It's your num lock, and was your scroll lock. Boom. So that lights up red. Kind of wish it was like a blue, because that red stands out pretty good. If you're in the market for a replacement keyboard or a first mechanical keyboard, this one pretty well fits the bill. Again, the only thing I would see really wrong with it, and we're nitpicking here for a $30 keyboard and mouse, is that the scroll wheel on the mouse doesn't feel of high quality, and there's a lot of rattle and ping coming from the keyboard as you type. But other than that, this is perfectly acceptable. $30 is, I wouldn't call it a steal, but we're right in the ballpark of, you know, what to expect when you get this. So if you have any other questions about this, hit me up in the comments. Check out my website, cyborgteam.com. We have review units for sale, have desk mats for sale, everything. So hit like, hit subscribe, hit me up in the comments. I'll get back to you if you have any questions. Peace.